Riders ready? Let's sumo! Okay, it's a trail walker, not a trail walker, but it is a an element trail walker versus the trail walker, but different wheelbase. It's been modified. Sumo time, go! Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Oh, okay, done.
Nice.
Okay. SUMO RC at the Sims. We're going 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Quite the tactic.
Oh no, I'm tied up. Okay, she's off. No! He's off. Okay, now it's up to those two. I did what I wanted. I knocked them on their side, but somebody came up and
Bronco's gonna take it.
got me off.
Yeah.
Okay, if she falls off, you win. Oh, that's it. Bronco wins. Nice one.
No, I'm done. Ball.
Okay, come on, Paul. Put her in there. There's a spot right there beside me there.
Oh, over here.
Over here.
Oh, he's going backward?
Just sit backwards. You're not going.
Okay, how many trucks we got there? Count the trucks. How many trucks?
7.
7?
If I count right.
7 truck. Okay, we go on 3. 1, 2, 3. Paul's got my number. He wants to get me out of there. Oh no, I'm off my side. No!
Thank you.
No! I gotta get back up.
There you go. Take him out.
No! No!
Paul, you almost saved it.
Oh! We have a winner!
Oh, you had it.
Okay, Sim Sumo, more trucks coming in.
I gotta reverse my settings here.
Oh, he's got to reverse his setting, he says.
No, he's just.
Okay, we're going on 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
I took myself off in the process. So I got it.
First time I did it. Bang, right away. Frank, you're lucky if I think
I got you, but I got myself off too.
Not even driving. No.
Woohoo! I win one! I win one! Yay!
I won in my books. I got my sister off. And then pushed him off.
After this, I'm taking no shots.
Oh shit, the 6x6 is in there.
Oh no!
Okay, spread your cars around about a bit there. Bring that van closer to here.
Oh no!
Okay, here we go. On 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Honcho versus Element. Here we go. Yeah!
Holy jumping. There you go, Frank.
Noted what happened to the 6x6 earlier.
You flipped.
I got tag team.
You got tag team? Okay, guys, we got to take the 6x6 out, eh? We got to go for the 6x6 right away.
I already knocked that thing off.
You did already?
I knocked myself off.
Oh, darn. Okay, we're going 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
Wait, I'm already on you.
No, you're 6x6 out. 2 wheels are off. Oh, no. Oh. TRX4 wins.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Did I scratch your truck?
No.
Okay, sumo wrestler again.
Right on me.
She's going right for the van right away. Problem is, your 2 tires have to be touching the red line, so we'll put it here.
Cheating already, my bad.
Your 2 tires have to be touching the red line. That's it. So you got 4, but we got at least 2 touching. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, she knocked herself out again. 2 tires are off, you're out.
Going.
Yes!
Bring your truck over.
It's 3 for 3, friend.
Yee-hee.
Holy go. I think he's got some power.
So we got a one-on-one battle here. Ready for some sumo wrestler? Oh, we got another guy coming in.
Oh, God.
Put your rear tires on the red line. That's it.
Oh, wait, we're still in reverse. Oh, yeah.
You're still in reverse.
Yeah, my... Oh, it's really good for crawling. No, Brandon?
No, not for yet. He'll punch in later. Okay, ready, set, sumo!
Good luck flipping me.
D90 wins. He's got no suspension.
Oh, 6x6.
Riders ready? Let's sumo. Go.
Good, Rick. Good, Rick. Oh, wow.
6x6 wins. Guys, riders ready? Let's sumo. Oh, good recovery.
Wow, he's off. Man, that truck's heavy. I can't even move it. Good, Brandon.
Take it out, Brandon. Take it out.
Alright, they have a better chance. Oh, no. Thank you.
Oh, there he goes. He thought I had a chance, but he doesn't.
Oh, yeah.
Boom. Winner.
That's center. That's one.
Okay, riders ready? Let's sumo. Go. Winner.
Finish.
Finish him.
Yeah, finish him.
3.
Okay, riders ready? Let's sumo. No! Yes, I'm back on my feet. My wheels. Push him off. Come on. That's it. One off. 6 by 6 out. Whoa, no, the other way. Ah,
No way.
yes. Oh, no. Gotta get back up. No.
Tracks for the win.
Darn. 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 Riders ready? Let's sumo. Woohoo! Winner!
Ganya.
Look at my windshield, my wipers. They're going crazy.
Oh.